Hey guys, I know it's not a normal video, but today we're playing some Roblox. Follow me on this. It'll also be in the description. Yeah. So, and follow my friend. Let me get it. Paige plays Roblox. She also has a beat. She has her B-Day March 18th, which I will definitely record for that to help her say happy birthday. And also, share her YouTube. I know I have YouTube going on right now, but I like this song, so. Oh. Okay, so I'm gonna copy and paste her name because my mouse. Wait, not the mouse. My what was it? La 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 la. Dang it. Paige plays Roblox. No, it's not that one. Okay. Paige plays Roblox some more. That's not her.
My name is Paige. So this video is a little different.
Wow, which one is it? Here. My dad. I know one of her, like, I have to have this one. Got us. Okay. KFC. My dad got us KFC. What is it? No! Okay. I'll find it later. So let's just play it. Man! RP headphone users. One. Church 5 seconds donuts. Yeah, that's me singing every day. Okay. So I also have an MSP channel, as you guys know. And I'm starting a vlog channel. Yeah. So it's probably gonna be like Lily vlogs, or I don't know, like I don't know. Like my cousin made me this one, and she thought my name was Lily because we've never seen each other in a while. So we did XOXO was MSP. So see, look! Oh my god! 3 views! Yay! 8 subscribers. I would love if you guys subscribe to me. I would love it. Like, I got, let's see how much videos I got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, we got 6 videos. This is gonna be our 7th. Wow, guys. Okay. Let's just gonna make a fun hobby. Let's just gonna make a fun hobby. Paigey, what do you want? I told them to YouTube tells you what you see. It does that. Oh my god. YouTube tell you hello. Hello. Finally. Take me to church, you found that. Oh my god, it's so confusing. Yeah, my pants right now are too itchy. So if you hear a lot of scratching, don't worry, that's just my pants. Church of Thousand. I've never been to the hobby. Oh, it's open hand. I'm on 100, or 300. I can't. Or 100. Or 200. I don't know. Oh crap! I only have 10 more minutes. Jesus! Woo! 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 Finally, what happened to me? My computer just got unplugged. Oh! RIP headphone users. I suggest you don't use headphones because I'm super loud and you'll die. Oh yay! Look what I'm on. Level 27. La 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 la. Am I on this one? I have a feeling I'm on this one. I don't know. Y'all should know I don't check. Oh my god, it scared me so bad. Okay, yeah, I'm going the right way. I was like, where am I going? So my friend, I'm lagging so bad. She knows a trick, which I forgot about it, but I forgot how to do it. But you can walk on any clear glass. Like, you can walk on the sky, even though you can walk on the sky, and like when every single object, you can just walk on it. You just have like 1,000 Roblox. That's all. Robux. Which I only have 0 because I spent it all. Which was only 1. I only had 6 Robux. Well, this is so hard. I'm not good at jumping. Bruh. We weren't supposed to jump on that. No. Okay. Hey, found a trick. Yes! Yes! Finally! I waited all year for that. I'm joking. I haven't been on this for a year. I haven't been on Roblox for a year. I'm usually on Mr. Planet. Oh my god! Lag! Gotta hate the lag. No! I'm scared. Oh, they're finally. Oh! No! No. So I'm doing this on Screen-O-Matic. Screencast. Because I'm too lazy to find something else. And I only have the 15-minute trial. I only have the free trial version, which is only 15 minutes. No! I was so close! Not fair! I'm gonna see if I can win this like this. Ah! That's fun. I just jumped the whole entire way. Do you guys see that? Oh my god. Bruh. You guys can see my face right now. I'm so disappointed. So maybe at like 11 I'll start saying goodbye, and it's like 8 right now. Not like a clock. My clock's right there. My clocky, my beautiful clock. Here. You guys can't see it because it's red. There. Can you guys see it? It's a little better. It's a little better. There. And I'll start saying goodbye at 13. Because it usually takes me like 2 minutes to say goodbye. Hi account. No! No! I was close. Dang it. And I don't curse because I'm only like, what, 110? Oh! Oh! No. Roxford? I don't even know who she's talking to. So I'm just gonna say no. Oh! Guys, I'm so close. I was trying to just jump over that. Let me finish some of this. Oh well. Yeah, Sylvain. Sylvain, don't hit me. Okay. Chippy! My dog's right here. Chippy! Hi! In the miniature teacup. Oh! What? Ah! I'll slow down for more of my life. Okay. Wait, what is this?
You
Ooh,
call me all friendly,
I've heard this song
telling me
before.
how much you miss me. That's funny. I guess you heard my
Songs.
too busy.
Okay, guys, so we're gonna transfer to Roblox and to you guessed it, Music Hot, because it's what most of my videos are on. And I changed the song because it was a cuss song, and that was my favorite song. Yeah. Okay, so let's just put in my password. Ouch, I didn't say one computer. 1 second, guys. Guys, so I might have to go. I might have to go a little earlier because my sister wants on my laptop. But it's fine. Can I record tomorrow? Yeah. So it's gonna be a very bad video. I know it, guys. You guys don't. You guys. Oh my God, Mom! I'm just not even touching you. She hates me. What if I hurt my feet off this?
General.
I don't even know if you guys can hear the song because, like,
I have a
my
question.
last video. Guys, I'm sorry I keep pausing. It's because the computer keeps freezing. So I honestly did not switch into anymore.
Taylor, you want to see how much dope you have?
I'll be right back, guys. So my sister wanted me to do something. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna make an art book. Yeah. Comment down below if I should do like a profile notebook, like one of these. Oh, just my hand. Yeah. So I'm not a judge or a celeb, so. So comment down below if I should actually do it, or maybe like one of these. No, it's the same one. It's the same one. It's the same one. Not one of these. No, that's just a wrinkle profile. Yeah, like one of these. A profile art book. Yeah. Okay, but mine will be uglier. I know it will. That's for sure. Alright. So I'm gonna make an art book real fast. You guys will see what it is. Okay, so my time's up almost. I have like 3 more minutes. And so my computer froze because I was looking at the P profile. I was looking at this. RIP headphone users. Okay. BRB guys. Okay guys, so my art book sucks a lot. If you guys can see. I need fans. YouTube XO is the MSP XO. And yeah, it's me, I'm okay. And one fan. Fans 0. Because no one likes me. I'm joking, guys. Everyone likes me. Just joking too. Okay, guys, so I gotta go because my mom's getting really mad. Yeah. Because I didn't finish cleaning at all. Alright, so I'll see you tomorrow. I'm gonna start posting daily, or at least trying. Yeah, so I'm honestly never gonna exit out this thing without screencast, or else I'll start recording on midnight cam, which really sucks because excuse me, sorry. Because it only shows my face, which I don't like at all. And yeah, I don't even like showing my face that much. Love you guys. So love you guys. Have fun. Have a good night. Get a good night's sleep. See you guys tomorrow. Posting daily. Friend me on MSP. Amelia. You'll be in the description. So my friends, my friend Roblox will be in the description, and her YouTube, and my YouTube. You guys don't need to. And my everything will be on the description. Bye guys. Love you.